Okay, so here is the prototype of Mayapada MyMobile that I have just made, and this is the landing page. We can click masuk button, and then this is the dashboard or the home page, and then if we want to check the mutation, and then we can click the info reckoning, and then click on the check mutasi, and then we can see that this page has two date pickers, which we can assume that it is the start date and then the end date, and then we can see that it's automatically will be set to the current month. And then if we click the date picker, for example, if we choose the just to for December, and then they will adjust based on our options. And then if we back to the menu, the dashboard page, and then if we can see the three button on top, maybe if we want to click on the SMS one, we can see that it says that data telah berhasil diubah menjadi mode SMS, segala informasi akan dikirimkan via SMS. That means that we know that the application will continue to send the data or like information via message or via SMS. So if we want to use the USSD, meaning that the information will be shown on the application like that. And then if we check the kotak masuk option, they will show that we have to do the data aktivasi data. If we click the button aktivasi data, they will directly redirect us to the aktivasi data page, so that we don't have to search where is this page, and then we can just easily press the button and then activate data. And then actually Mayapada MyMobile won't let the users to take screenshots while using this app. So I add some features in the pengaturan, and then I add with this option aktifkan screenshot, meaning that if we click this, they will give us the pop-up message saying that fitur screenshot diaktifkan, meaning that we can use the screenshot mode, that it is enabled now. And if we want to make it back to default, like we don't want to allow the users to take screenshot, we can just easily click it again, and then not on fitur screenshot dinonaktifkan like that. And then if we want to log out, we can click the power button on the bottom, and then they will give us some confirmation apakah Anda yakin ingin log out. If we want to proceed, then we can just click log out, and then we can just it stop. We can just go log out from the application.